Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we dive into the world of crypto and unravel the mysteries behind the price movements of your favorite coins. Today, October 31st, 2024, we're focusing on Litecoin, LTCUSD, a cryptocurrency known for its fast transaction speeds and reputation as digital silver. Litecoin is currently making headlines due to its upcoming third halving event, a programmed 50% reduction in the pace of new coin issuance, expected to occur on Wednesday. This event is a significant milestone for Litecoin, as it's designed to reduce the rate of inflation and potentially increase the value of LTC. The market sentiment surrounding Litecoin's halving event is mixed, with some investors expecting a bullish surge in price, while others anticipate a sell-the-news scenario. We'll explore the technical indicators on various timeframes to determine if there's any evidence to support either of these predictions. Let's begin by examining the daily chart, which provides an overview of Litecoin's price movements over the past year. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a noticeable uptrend in Litecoin's price over the past several months. The price has broken through key resistance levels, suggesting a strong bullish momentum. The current price is trading above its 50-day and 200-day moving averages, further reinforcing the bullish sentiment. However, it's important to acknowledge that the halving event is just around the corner, and there's potential for a short-term correction in price. We'll need to closely monitor the price action in the days leading up to the halving event to determine if there's any evidence of a reversal. Let's now zoom in on the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular perspective on Litecoin's recent price movements. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart, we can see a more volatile price action with frequent fluctuations. The price has been consolidating within a defined range over the past few weeks. This consolidation suggests a period of uncertainty in the market as investors await the halving event. The price is currently trading near the upper end of this consolidation range. We'll need to monitor the price action closely to see if it breaks out of this range and continues its upward trajectory, or if it retraces back down. Let's examine the 15-minute chart to gain an even more detailed perspective on Litecoin's price movements. The 15-minute chart reveals a rapid fluctuation in price, indicative of the high volatility inherent in the crypto market. We can observe a series of green candles indicating upward momentum, followed by a few red candles, suggesting a pullback in price. This rapid back-and-forth movement makes it challenging to predict short-term trends. However, if we look at the overall trend on the 15-minute chart, it suggests that the price is still trending upwards, despite the volatility. Let's return to the daily chart to gain a broader understanding of Litecoin's price movements. The daily chart's perspective highlights the fact that Litecoin's price has been in a relatively stable range over the past several days. This stable range suggests a period of consolidation as investors await the halving event and its potential impact. The price is currently trading near the upper end of this range, indicating a potential for a breakout in either direction. The next few days will be crucial for determining the direction of Litecoin's price movement. Let's delve into the technical indicators on the daily chart to gain further insights. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is currently hovering around 60, indicating a slight overbought condition. This suggests that the price may be due for a short-term correction. However, the RSI is not overly extended, suggesting that the bullish momentum is still strong. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, is currently in a bullish crossover, signaling a continuation of the uptrend. The MCD is also above its signal line, further reinforcing the bullish sentiment. These indicators suggest that the market is currently in a bullish phase. However, we must be cautious, as the halving event could disrupt the existing trends. Let's shift our attention to the 1-hour chart to explore the technical indicators in more detail. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that the RSI is currently hovering around 70, indicating a more pronounced overbought condition. This suggests a higher likelihood of a short-term correction in price. The MCD is also near its overbought territory, signaling a potential for a pullback. While the indicators suggest a potential correction, it's important to remember that the halving event is just around the corner, and it could trigger a different outcome. Let's briefly revisit the 15-minute chart to observe the technical indicators from this time frame. The 15-minute chart highlights the high volatility of Litecoin's price. The RSI is fluctuating rapidly, making it difficult to derive meaningful insights. The MACD is also very volatile and not providing any clear signals. This timeframe emphasizes the difficulty of predicting short-term trends based on technical indicators alone. We'll need to rely on a combination of technical analysis and fundamental analysis to make informed decisions. Returning to the daily chart, we can identify key price levels to watch closely. The immediate support level is around $60, a level where the price has bounced off previously. If the price breaks below this support level, it could trigger a further sell-off. The next resistance level is around $75, a level where the price has encountered resistance in the past. If the price breaks above this resistance level, it could signal a continuation of the uptrend. Let's now revisit the 1-hour chart to identify key price levels for this time frame. The 1-hour chart shows a clear consolidation range between $65 and $70. If the price breaks above this range, it could signal a continuation of the uptrend and potentially lead to a surge in price. However, if the price breaks below this range, it could trigger a short-term correction. The next resistance level is around $75, a level where the price has encountered resistance in the past. Finally, let's explore the key price levels on the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart reveals a more volatile price action, making it challenging to identify clear support and resistance levels. However, we can observe a recent pullback in price to the $70 level. This level could act as a temporary support level for the price. The next resistance level is around $75, a level where the price has encountered resistance in the past. With the halving event on the horizon, the market is likely to be more volatile in the short term. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of the risks and trade cautiously. In conclusion, Litecoin LTCUSD is poised for a potential surge in price due to the upcoming halving event. However, the market sentiment is mixed, with some investors expecting a bullish surge and others anticipating a sell-the-news scenario. Technical indicators suggest a bullish phase in the market, but the halving event could disrupt the existing trends. Key price levels to watch closely on the daily chart include support at $60 and resistance at $75. On the 1-hour chart, the key levels are $65 and $70, representing the consolidation range. If the price breaks above this range, it could signal a continuation of the uptrend, leading to a potential surge. If the price breaks below the range, it could trigger a short-term correction. The 15-minute chart reveals a more volatile price action, making it challenging to identify clear support and resistance levels. However, we can observe a recent pullback to the $70 level, which could act as a temporary support level. The next resistance level is around $75. The halving event is expected to increase volatility in the short term. Therefore, it's essential to trade cautiously and monitor the market closely for any signs of a reversal or breakout.